is fragging. Every day, I day for work. Because of what? I don't have anybody to help me in my life. I try to do the something for me. I try my life to do the something.
We must put that shot.
Oh, yesterday, before I wake up from my bed, I get a phone call from my wife, He asked me the many things. Oh, I don't anything say to him because of why I don't get money to protect myself. That is why, oh, I try to find the things of me. Because of why I get a progress, I don't get any person to help my life. I don't know tomorrow. I know today. I don't know tomorrow. Nothing happened to me. I remember the years ago. I remember the years ago. Why my family to reject me because of my sickness? My family to reject me before because of why my sickness. I'm fighting for this 6 years. I don't get anybody to ask me any one question for my sickness. There are people to reject me. I try myself to survive of my life. Sometimes I'm sitting to thinking about that things of me. I try to find a thing of my own thing because I don't know tomorrow.